Hi, hello and namaskaram. Myself Bobby Geetha from Fine Dining Indian. So this video you can learn how to do a sardine fry. The marination, the method you can adapt for any kind of fish, even the prawns, with the shell or shell off. You can try this at home. You can make the marinade and keep it, and then use it when you need it. It's an amazing preparation. And then I do some addition when we finish off the pan. We deglaze the pan with some coconut, green chili, onions, and a bit of curry leaf to toast it up, and then top it on top of the fried fish. It's amazing flavor and combination. So do cook along with me, and then let me know your feedback. So for the sardine marination, we start with ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, turmeric powder, chili powder, pepper powder, stock powder, then coconut milk powder, curry leaf, salt, chili flakes, touch of water, then mix it, a thick marinade. Now sardine has been cleaned and scored. Now marinate it. In the marinade, mix it, and then once it's ready, you can leave in the fridge. Before you're frying, just take it out. Now heat the pan with oil, ideally coconut oil, that gives amazing flavor, otherwise plain oil. Then place the fish one by one onto the pan. Use medium heat to heat up the oil. Just cook 2 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side. If you want to cover it, you can do that. So once one side is done, just turn it. It should not be burned, but nice crispy dark brown color. That's good. You need to have a crispy skin that is very tasty and juicy flesh inside. So once it's done, you can transfer into a plate, and then we use a pan to deglaze with some onions and different masala. So once the fish is fried completely on both sides, remove it into a kitchen towel so extra oil is just absorbed. In the same pan, we just deglaze in the sense, just get the flavor back to the garnishes. So I'm putting some ginger, julliene, chopped onions, green chili, grated coconut, curry leaf. Just saute for a minute. So just sweat it, but you still have the crunchiness of onions. And this we use it for garnishing on plating. So once the fish is fried and the garnish is ready, now place on a platter, a serving platter. Now the garnish, just spoon it on the top, and it's ready to serve now. So thank you for cooking the sardine fry along with me. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. And the last minute touch is that enhances the whole flavor and the taste experience of the fish. So you can always think something like this. This is only the idea what I'm giving in every recipe is what I do. So think like this, the small touch, the small last minute improvement that can bring the whole dish to a different level. So this is what we do as a profession, and you can always do this at home. So thank you for watching all our videos. Thank you from Fine Dining Indian and Bobby Geetha. Subscribe to our channel if you didn't already subscribe. Click the bell icon so you get to know all our videos when we upload it. Thank you so much.